see this and experience it, ये महसूस क्या करते हैं और आप कैसा महसूस करते हैं इसे सुनकर?
So 4 balls to go. Cody the man on strike. Starts off with a 6. 6 ball. 3 on the trot.
I mean, 120 plus is what I saw over there. There's Chepauk, there's Lucknow. I mean, pretty much everywhere you go, the roar just keeps rising. And that was actually through our shore meter. फीलिंग कैसी जब आप ये देखते हैं, क्योंकि सुनते तो आप अपने कानों से और महसूस अपने दिल से करते हैं?
It's a very good feeling, you know, and I always said, you know, it's a big thank you from the fan side. That's what I believe, you know, like whatever last few years I will be playing, you know, it's a way of, you know, they are saying that thank you very much for whatever you have done, and it's amazing, you know, especially when you play a sport, what you want is the appreciation of the fans. And, you know, when it comes to cricket, you know, India is the place to play. You know, being part of the Indian cricket team is one of the biggest things. I'm not playing international cricket, so IPL is the next best thing that can happen. So, you know, I don't get goosebumps, but it's a kind of feeling. You know, whenever you walk in, you know, everybody is very excited. They're waiting for you. They want you to do well. Even at times when you're playing against the team that they want to win, you know, they still want you to perform, contribute a bit, whatever it may be. So yeah, it's an amazing feeling.
Chepauk में तो माई भाई समझ में आता है कि ये शोर उठता है. But is it a more special feeling for you when you see it other than Chepauk? And secondly, which is your second favorite stadium after Chepauk?
Well, I won't say I have a second favorite because, you know, we get all like same kind of reception almost everywhere. Mumbai, I have a soft corner because, you know, 2007 when we won the T20 World Cup, we came back over here, we got a very warm reception. 2011 final was over here, and there have been memories, you know, so it has a special place in my heart. But other than that, you know, even if you're playing in Bangalore, you know, the crowd is amazing, you know, they're very loud, all the voice, all the noise stays inside the stadium. Calcutta, you know, big capacity crowd, you know, the same is with Ahmedabad now, so it becomes very difficult, you know, who will you pick, because they come here, they come with all their heart and they support, you know, the teams, the cricket. So I feel Chepauk is special because with the whistle they are very loud. I think it was last year, one of the games I went into bat and the umpire was like, if you nick it, you know, walk on your own. So I just told him, you know, I generally walk, but I have a different theory. I have to be at least 51% sure that I've nicked it. You know, if I'm in doubt, I won't walk.
Yeah.
But you don't have to worry, you know, if I nick it, you know, I will go.
Do you remember the name of the umpire?
No, I forgot. Even if I remember, I don't think I should name it.
Okay, fair enough.
Subscribe for more updates.